Well, guys, today is the day.
Good morning. We're so glad you're here.
Oh, we're not using the intro from outside?
Evie was a little distracted. We could use it. I'll put it in here.
Good morning. We're so glad you're here.
We daily vlog, so if you like this video, come on back tomorrow. Evie!
You're supposed to talk to the camera. Today's the day.
We get to see our baby.
Get to see our baby for the first time.
Oh my gosh. When do you want to leave?
What time's our appointment?
10:30.
Should leave at 10. Well, we have to sit outside, right?
I think we check in and then they'll tell us to either go back or go in our car and wait for a call.
Okay. Then we should leave at 10:15. Did I ever think that it would take 5 years to get to this point? No. But did I know we'd get to this point? Oh yeah. I cannot wait. Sarah's in our room doing some meditation to kind of get herself ready for the day and calm the nerves, because we are nervous to go today. We're excited and nervous, but like Sarah's dad would always say, if you weren't scared, you weren't nervous, it means you don't care. And this is the most important thing in our whole life. I remember the feeling going in to go see Sweet Pea for the first time, and that level of excitement and nervousness, and it's just the same. I got my Sweet Pea necklace on. I think I saw Sarah's wearing her necklace already. We actually see our doctor today, which is the last couple times we haven't seen him because he's been either out or busy. So it'd be nice to see our main nurse and our main doctor. Gonna be such a good day, and so exciting to see our baby for the first time. First of many times. I can't believe the day is here.
Alrighty, we're gonna put Frozen on for Eve.
Frozen 2.
Frozen 2, sorry. And head out the door.
The excitement and the nerves, oh, they're high. Okay, we have to go back to the car.
Yes.
They're being safe.
We got a pen, took the pen, filled out a whole bunch of information. They asked us a whole bunch of questions.
Being safe.
Go.
It's time she got the call. No. Here we go. It's almost time. They're going to get the doctor now.
Now, introducing
the little sprout.
Yay!
Measured perfectly 8 weeks, 5 days.
Yes. We will get a video next time, if it's allowed. We forgot.
We have to look at the phone footage, but I took footage on my phone of us listening. I don't know if we might have put that in before the shot of the heartbeat sound.
And they were bopping around. You should see their hands and feet were just like...
Only one baby.
Yes.
Only one baby.
One baby. One nice baby. I am on pelvic rest.
Yes.
Because there is a tiny clot.
Blood clot right there. But nobody's worried about it whatsoever.
Nobody's worried.
With the size of that sac and the baby growing and everything's looking perfect. Our doctor was happy. Our nurse was happy. All the nurses that we've ever had stopped by, came into the room afterwards and was like, ah!
Yeah, it was so cool. I'll show you real quick our little graduation. Even though we didn't graduate yet, we would have had we not been in the study.
I think we graduated. Because today would have been our graduation. Everyone else who does CRM would have graduated on today's visit, but since we're doing the medical study, we have to come back for one additional at 11 weeks, or almost 12 weeks. So that's really just for the study. That's why we got all of our discharge paperwork to go to our normal OB, and Sarah's gonna make the appointment to go to a normal baby doctor and not a fertility specialist.
So we're actually picking up Market on South. We're just waiting at the curbside check-in. But our baby's first teddy bear, and then just other little flyers and a parents magazine. So that's super fun. And the due date is officially October 29th of 2020.
I'm going through this. We got our entire history of stuff, so I'm going through all of her different tests.
Things. We realized, I was like, oh, we've been there 1.5 years, and then I realized we've been there 2.5 years. Yeah. Wild. right when our baby is born, it'll almost be like the 3-year anniversary of us starting to go there.
And this is no malice towards our doctor, but I just will never forget, because I love our doctor so much, but I'll never forget when we first met him. clearly he didn't know things that we now do know, but I'll never forget him sitting us down in his office, like, after, like, basic, like, physical stuff, and he was like, I don't see a reason why within 12 months from this day that you will be sitting in this office and you'll either be making bottles or preparing bottles. And we were like, left at a point like, wow, did you hear what he said? Like, we're going to be making bottles, meaning like we have a baby that we're making bottles for, or we're going to be preparing to make bottles. So like we're going to be stocking up on supplies in a year from now. Like, that's awesome. Been a whirlwind, but as it says right there. Congratulations. I don't even think I'm not, there's nothing crazy there. Congratulations, you have graduated.
Wow.
Yo, my friends was rocking vegan hot dog cart as their special this time. Look at, they got my name decked out on there and everything.
Oh my word. There's pickles on it. I didn't even realize it.
I have some kind of zesty powdering on mine.
Mmm. So Peter got
the TLT, I
TLT,
think.
So it's like tempeh?
Tempeh bacon with tomato.
Yeah. And then mine is a Carolina barbecue jackfruit.
Delicious city.
And we got cheer wine and desserts.
Going out today.
We are home. We're watching Hocus Pocus in honor of our Halloween baby. Alrighty, our work days are kind of winding down. Peter will still have to do a little bit of work later. But I'm going to make us some potato wedges. And I saw on Twitter that Chrissy Teigen heats up the oil first and then puts her potatoes on her pan. So I'm going to try that out and see how it goes. I ran out of olive oil, so I put some butter on there. But it says to put in the oil for 8 minutes at 400 degrees, I think. Or until it's steamy. So I'm just going to keep an eye on it. So about 15 minutes through, I went in and flipped all of these. I mean, they look pretty crispy. I don't know if they look more crispy than they usually would.
I don't know how much left of the vlog there's going to be because I actually have to, had a crazy day, work-related stuff after we got back from the doctor's appointments, and I have to run a report that I need for the morning, so I need to work on that. On top of, I told you guys, there's a thing I run in the evening now that I have to start around 10 or 11, so it's 7:30 now. We're going to finish watching those last 2 episodes of Self-Made. So I think we're going to start that now, and I'll like watch and work at the same time while I wait for an update because we haven't vlogged about this yet. So 2 big updates when it comes to the virus in our neighborhood. Universal announced they are staying closed through April 19th. That's far away from now. That's 3 more weeks, I think, right?
Yeah, I'll be in my 2nd trimester.
You'll be in your 2nd trimester by then. And then Orange County Mayor signed an executive order that we are going on shelter in place or health at home, whatever you want to call it, starting Thursday at 11 p.m. or midnight or something until April 9th. So there's some people that are saying online, like, obviously with Universal calling it until the 19th, everyone thinks Disney's going to call it to the 19th, which I think they'll do the 19th as well, but other people are saying they at least have to do until the 9th because of the executive order. But I also know Disney has some level of different pull within the county, but I feel like they have to listen to that because I
think they're half in Orange County.
So what are they going to open up the half of Disney World that's not in Orange County?
Most of it.
I think they'll wait until the 19th. They're going to extend, but are they going to extend to the 9th or are they going to extend to the 19th? I think they'll extend to the 19th. They just haven't said anything yet.
So we just finished Self-Made. It is so good. We highly recommend it. It says a limited time series, so I don't think it's going to be up there forever. But it's so good. The main character, Madam C.J. Walker, is played by Octavia Spencer, who is in The Help and so many other movies, but she's so good. And then her daughter is played by Tiffany Haddish, and I love her too. Such a good show. Peter is doing more work. After our appointment, we went to Whole Foods to get some produce and ice cream for celebrating. This is our favorite non-dairy ice cream brand.
So delicious. And that's such a part of Sarah's vernacular that she was on the phone with me. She's like, wasn't there that bananas foster that was so delicious? And I thought she was just like calling this bananas foster. So I was like, when did we have a vegan bananas foster? Didn't realize till we got off the phone and I looked at the ice cream that she was talking about the So Delicious brand of ice cream.
And he told me there was no bananas foster.
I was like, there's no vegan bananas
Well,
foster.
guess what flavor Peter got?
Bananas foster.
Because he found it after we got on the phone. And so I ordered double chocolate truffle.
Double chocolate truffle. We've gotten these two at the exact before. Oh gosh, here comes the call. She just licked her lips.
And I decided on National Treasure. Hi, baby. This is lethal. Doggies can't have chocolate.
Oh, she's the cutest, but she's mad that the laptop charger's partially on her temporary bed.
March 24th. We are born in one day. We die in one day. We can change in one day. We can fall in love in one day. Anything can happen in just one day. Gail Foreman.
Most people just leave you the dog there, but we don't. We bring her to bed.
She refused to come in. She zonked.
So the thing is, if we didn't bring her with, we would get ready for bed, and then 10 seconds later she'd want to get lifted on the bed, so we just bring her with.
I'm so sleepy. That's how she likes the bed drop. We're tired.
I came very close to shaving my face today, but then I didn't.
But it's probably gonna happen soon.
I don't know.
Mark my words, you'll break.
I just bought beard oil to help with the itchy. Guys, we just spent the last hour watching Miss Mojo, like top 10, top 5s of New Girl and stuff. But let us know down below if you watch Miss Mojo countdowns or top best ofs. And did you guys know that we were part of a Miss Mojo once?
Long time ago.
Were we honorable mention?
No.
I think we were an honorable mention, or were we just like top 5? We were part of the top 5.
Like
best
unique.
Or unique
Disney like small shop merchandise and like
subscription packs.
Well, no, it was merchandise and it was like shirts,
Yeah,
and then there was subscription packs section.
Subscription box. Honestly, we could actually make a list of the top 10 Disney subscription boxes. But we'll pack as many as possible into our number 1 pick. Take flight with the Plain Crazy Button Club, from Mickey Monthly, to Walt Life, to the Mouse Merch Box, to Mickey's Mystery Box. These are gifts that just keep on giving.
It's good to be home. Her arm's getting tired from holding the camera. That's why she's trying to. I'm just gonna keep stalling.
It's good to be home.
It's good to be home.
We know what our goals are. We know what we hope to accomplish. And believe me, it's the most exciting and challenging assignment we've ever tackled at Walt Disney Productions.